Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Battle.net account to your YouTube account. So firstly, open up your web browser and log in into your Blizzard's account. Then open up a new tab and search YouTube. Then go to your YouTube and click on your profile icon over here. Then go to settings. Then click on connected apps. And in there you will find Battle.net. So just simply press connect over here. Then again connect. Then again continue. Then just simply make sure to check this box over here and press allow. And it will connect to the account, and make sure to log in your Blizzard's account on that very same browser which you are using the YouTube on. So as you can see, my Battle.net account has been logged in. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel.